Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get all future updates. So in today's video, I will share with you what actually the kit includes and when exactly we will be going live. So without any delay, let's get started. So the SAREE KUCHU kit will contain one piece of fabric like this with 3 needles. This is the big eye needle here, and we also have added 2 needles with of different sizes. And then you will have one trimmer, one spool of zari, 2 different colors of silk thread, and then these are the different types of beads in the kit. This is a 5 mm wooden beads, and then we have flower beads, 3 mm round beads, these big-eyed, big hole ones, flat, round. It's a mixture of different types of beads, and these are a pack of 10 grams each. So this is what a kit would contain. So in case if you want to order this, you can order it online, and if you already have some items and if you are missing, you can get them by yourself and keep it ready by the time we go live. In case you're wondering how to get this for yourself, you can find this new product that we have added on our app. So this whole thing comes as a kit. You will have all these products. It will cost 200 rupees along with shipping within India only. So you can just purchase this on our app or website in case you want one. So in case you are ordering this on our website, please make note that there is no cash on delivery option for this particular product. Only prepaid orders are accepted. So 200 rupees is including the shipping charge. So you can place your orders now. So we will be going live on 17th of this month, which is a Sunday. Since most of you requested it would be convenient on a Sunday, so we have scheduled this on 17th around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So by then, make sure you place your orders so that we have enough time for the kit to reach you guys. In case you don't want to order from us, these are the materials you will need, so you can buy it at your local stores and keep them handy so that it will be easy when I go live. So that's about it in today's video. In case you want any more details, please do leave comments and I'll get back to you there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay tuned guys. Bye bye.